So now the exercise is Complétez avec les adjectifs possessifs convenables. Now you know what are the possessive adjectives. So we are going to fill in these blanks with possessive adjectives. The first one, j'arrive, I arrive, dash voiture a des problèmes. Now we need to fill in this blank. We know the noun is feminine singular. Now in this sentence the subject is je. So for je the possessive adjectives are mon, ma and me. So I hope you remember these. Now the noun. The noun is feminine singular. So which of these would we use? It is ma. Ma voiture a des problèmes. So j'arrive, ma voiture a des problèmes. Now the next sentence, le professeur ne trouve pas dash manuel. Now the noun manuel, it is masculine singular, and the subject here is le professeur. It is third person, le professeur. So for third person singular, what are the possessive adjectives? Son, sa, se, right? So now take a look at the noun. It is masculine singular, so we use son. Le professeur ne trouve pas son manuel. Now the next sentence, je suis content, demain c'est dash anniversaire. So we need to look at the subject, first person singular. So the possessive adjectives are mon, ma and me. Now the noun. The noun is anniversaire. It begins with a vowel. Remember that. So we write mon anniversaire. Mon anniversaire. Je suis content. Demain c'est mon anniversaire. The fourth sentence. C'est le sac de Sophie. It is the bag of Sophie. Oui, yes, c'est. Now, in this sentence, what would be the subject? The Sophie. So it is third person. Sophie is the subject. We say dash sac. So now for third person, the adjectives we are going to use are son, sa or se. So for each of these nouns, we see which of these is suitable. So sac. Sac is masculine, singular. So we use son. Son sac, avec. Now the next noun is gomme. Gomme is feminine singular. So we use sa. Did you get it? Because this is masculine singular, it is son. Feminine singular, it is sa. The next one is stylo. It is in the plural form. So we use se. Se stylo, a. And finally, this noun is masculine singular. So again we use son. Son manuel. C'est le sac de Sophie. Oui, c'est son sac avec sa gomme, ses stylos et son manuel. So what we had to do here is look at the subject. So decide whether it is first person, second person or third person, singular or plural. So we have a list of adjectives that can be used for that case. And then we look at the noun. That is the noun that follows the blank. So depending on whether this noun is masculine or feminine, singular or plural, we choose one from the list that we have chosen. So this is how we fill in. So we will continue by doing some more exercises.